Top stocks in news: Glenmark Pharma, SEPC, Birla, Dalmia Bharat, all, Newgen and Swan Defence. Stocks like iValue InfoSolutions, Polycab, Tata Steel, Yes Bank, Lupin, Vari Energies, Indian Hotels, Glenmark Pharma and more will be in the spotlight on Thursday, 25th September. 1. Dividend stock today. Shares of Atex Systems and Evans Electric shall trade ex-dividend today. 2. Glenmark Pharma, subsidiary of the drug maker, Glenmark Specialty SA, has entered into an exclusive licensing deal with Hengrui Pharma for a new HER2-targeting cancer drug called trastuzumab rezetecan. Under the deal, Glenmark will pay $18 million upfront, plus future payments of up to $1.09 billion and royalties on drug sales. 3. Birla Corp, the Infra Players Unit, RCCPL, has been named the preferred bidder for the Kanpajanapani limestone block in Telangana with an 87.05% revenue sharing offer. The block spans 3.38 sq km in Adilabad district. 4. All Agri-Business, the FMCG company signed a 2-year MoU with the Solvent Extractors Association of India, (C) and Solidaridad Regional Expertise Center, SREC, on 24 September 2025 to lead the National Mustard Model Farm Initiative. 5. Dalmia Bharat, the cement company confirms its provisional attachment of 377.26 crore rupees land under PMLA. The company said operations unaffected and will explore legal remedies. 6. SEPC. It announced it has secured a 75.19 crore rupees purchase order from Jeffo Solutions for supplying construction materials across 4 residential infrastructure projects in India. The non-related party contract, expected to be completed in 8 to 9 months, bolsters the company's order book amid surging demand for urban housing developments. 7. Newgen Software Technologies, a wholly owned subsidiary of IT solutions player, Newgen Software Technologies, UK, has signed a 5-year master services agreement with TCS NV, Belgium. The deal includes cloud hosting, software licensing, and implementation services. This is a purely commercial transaction. 8. Swan Defence and Heavy Industries, India's premier shipbuilding and heavy fabrication firm, has inked an exclusive Memorandum of Understanding, MoU, with Dutch offshore oil and gas vessel specialist Royal IHC, alongside Indian representative Aller Infrastructure. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.